Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make green bean casserole. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in one 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Then 2/3 cups of milk. And for the seasonings, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, salt, and paprika, and whisk together until combined. Now I'm going to add in two 14.5 ounce cans of green beans that I drained, and using a spatula, fold in until all the green beans are coated. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Pour the green beans into a lightly greased baking dish. And using a spatula, spread it out evenly. You're gonna bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then remove from the oven and sprinkle some crispy fried onions. Then place back into the oven and bake for 5 minutes, and this green bean casserole is ready. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!